Hello, today we would like to show how you can play the Spotify on Discord. So first of all, open up the Discord app. In here, make sure that your Spotify account is linked with your respective Discord account. You can check it by going into the user settings section of the application. In here, just go for the connections section, or should I say category, and as long as this page will show that your Spotify and Discord accounts are connected, you are good to go. And in here, on a side note, if you do not have the Spotify and Discord accounts connected, you can view an entirely separate video tutorial on it on our channel as well. So in here, simply once you connect those two accounts together, basically just make sure that the display on profile and display Spotify as your status toggles are enabled. Alrighty, so that will be pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.